Today, we're taking drone technology to a completely new level. This is the KY001 Pro, a professional-grade aerial machine packed with features normally seen only in high-end cinema drones. If you've ever wanted power, intelligence, and extreme range all in one foldable aircraft, this is the drone you've been waiting for. The first thing you'll notice is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal paired with 8K electronic image stabilization. Every shot is smooth, cinematic, and razor-sharp, even in challenging winds. With a 110-degree ultra-wide FOV, your footage feels massive, natural, and immersive. But the KY001 Pro isn't just about beautiful images. It's built for adventure. With a mind-blowing 20-kilometer flight distance and 12-kilometer control range, this drone lets you explore vast landscapes without ever worrying about signal loss. Powered by an upgraded 11.4-volt 4,500 mAh fast-charge battery, you get up to 45 minutes of continuous flight, nearly double the time of typical consumer drones. And when it's time to navigate tight spaces, the KY001 Pro activates its intelligent lifting laser obstacle avoidance system, scanning the environment in real time to help you fly safely and confidently. The controller is another standout, a stunning 5.5-inch touchscreen remote that works like a smartphone and controller combined. No need for clumsy mounts or cables. Your flight, camera, and advanced settings are all right on the built-in display. But here's where the KY001 Pro becomes a true multi-purpose powerhouse. It features a 500-gram Airdrop system. With one tap, you can drop fishing bait, delivery payloads, send rescue items, or simply add a new layer of creativity to your drone missions. Under the hood, a next-gen AI processing chip boosts flight stability, enhances tracking, and makes intelligent control easier than ever. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an advanced pilot capturing professional aerial shots, this drone adapts to your style instantly. You also get every smart feature you could want: GPS automatic return, low battery return, signal loss return, GPS follow me and image follow, gesture photo and video, waypoint missions, circle around mode, aircraft retrieval with map location, and instant photo and video sharing right from the app. Foldable, durable, and ready for any environment, the KY001 Pro is not just a drone, it's a full aerial system designed for creators, explorers, and professionals. If you're searching for an ultra-long-range drone with real 8K capability, serious lifting power, next-level stabilization, and top-tier flight intelligence, the KY001 Pro might just be the best drone you'll fly this year.